Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach another line dance. It is called And 5, 6, 7, 8, Get on the Floor. And I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction. It is a two-wall dance. It's a beginner dance, but it's not one of those, you can just call it out on the dance floor. No, the tempo is upbeat and there's a little syncopated step in here. So I would definitely teach this to my beginners, my seasoned beginners, my intermediate beginners, and definitely my intermediate class, okay? But not those novice, okay? The ones that sometimes I give y'all guys where you can just call it out and keep your class moving, that's not this dance, okay? But I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. But before I do, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instructions. You want a demo to the music? Dance together. Make sure you got the steps together. Watch till the end. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so, and make sure you share this video. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment, leave me a heart or something. I appreciate y'all guys. Thank you. Are you ready? Let's go. So I'm going to make a half turn on this dance. So if I teach here and I make a half turn, you're going to have to look back at the camera. So that's why I'm teaching on the side. You're looking at my footwork, I'm looking at your footwork. When you turn, I turn, okay? We can always see each other, okay? So there's more than one way to teach a line dance. Facing the camera, your back to the camera, also the side, trust me, okay? So we're going to start with a turn step, half turn. Right, left, right, left, right. Okay, so all we did was make a half turn with our right shoulder coming back. Right, left, right, left, right. Last step was on the right. Then we're going to do kick ball change. Kick ball change, kick ball change. Okay, so kick. Kick ball change, kick ball change. Kick left, right, kick left, right. Okay, so let's put that together. All right, turn step with a triple step, then kick on the left. Kick left, left, right. Kick left, left, right. All right, 5, 6, 7, turn step. Right, left, right, left, right. Kick left, right, kick left, right. Okay, now we're going to stay in place. We're not going anywhere. We're going to roll to the right, roll to the left. All right, so add that roll to the right, roll to the left. All right, so this is an upbeat dance. So you got to know the steps because it moves fast. It's going to get your heart rate up. Yes, move that blood around. All right, so turn step, triple step, kick ball change, roll right, roll left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, kick left, right, roll left. Just like that. Yeah. Go ahead and move. Go ahead and move. All right, pick your feet up, do your footwork. So let's put it to the count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got it? All right. My weight is on the left, so I'm going to do a Lindy to the right. 1 and 2, back 3, 4, left 5 and 6, turn 7, 8. So I turn. So roll, roll. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right. So one from here, shuffle to the right. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, right, left. So I made a half turn. That's a Lindy with a half turn. So I roll right, roll left. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay? Now, my last step is on the left, so that's where my weight is going to be. All right? Now, let's go back to the top. Turn step, triple step, kick ball change, stay in place, roll right, roll left, Lindy to the right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left with a half turn. Right, left. Last step is be on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4. Okay, and right into it, adding on. Cross tap, ball change. Cross out, ball chain, in, up. Okay, so that's the next step. So let me teach it from here. So I just turned, I went right, left, cross tap, ball chain, in, up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's the count. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. So I went, last step is on right, left, because I did that half turn. Left, right. So let me show you. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. So that was my last turn from the Lindy. Turn it back. So I'm going to do cross, tap, ball chain, in, up. Now, first I want you to do is learn the step first. Then we're going to put the tempo to it. So what you're doing, cross, tap, ball change. Cross, tap, ball change. So you're switching your weight. So you don't have time to put your weight. You do cross, tap, ball change. So from here, you're not putting your weight because you're switching. Okay? So when you cross, tap, bring that heel up. Don't put your weight there. Ball chain. Put your weight here. And up. So you're out here, in and up. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. That's the count. That's the tempo. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Just a slight pause there. It's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All right, so let's put that together from this wall. Review. Turn step with a triple step. Half turn. Kickball change. Kickball change. Stand here with the rolls. Hip rolls to the right. Hip roll to the left. Lindy to the right. Rock back, recover. Lindy to the left. Half turn. And go into the cross tap. Ball chain lift. All right. So when you do that turn, go right into that. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. All right. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 and 8. 5, 6, and 7 and 8. Do that again. All right. 5, 6, 5, 6 with the turn step. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kick 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right. Cross step out and up. So when my knee come up, I shuffle up. 1 and 2, up, 3, rock, 4, turn, 5, and 6, rock, 7, 8. So what did I do? Last 8 count. On my right knee is up. I shuffle up. Shuffle, rock up, recover, half turn, left, left, walk, right, left. In a dance. I was at this wall. Now I'm here. It's a 2-wall dance. It start over. Cross, tap, ball chain, and up. 1 and 2, up, 3, 4, turn, 5 and 6, walk, 7, 8. From here, you go right into your turn step. Okay? So that knee is up. Shuffle up on the right. 1 and 2. Rock up, recover, turn back, half turn with your foot out. Left, left. Then walk. Right, left on 7, 8. And the dance starts over with a turn step. 2, 3 and 4, kick, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, let me 5 and 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, up 1 and 2, up 3, 4, turn 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right? 2 wall dance, front and back. Let's put it together. Let's do it on both walls. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Walk 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, and 4. Kick 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6, 7, 8 is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, turn 5 and 6, 7, 8. All right? So I already know you're going to have a little trouble with that cross, tap, and up. But dance along with me. More than likely, you're crossing too slow. Go ahead and cross fast. Cross, tap, out, and up. All right? So it's cross, pause, out, and up. Go right into that cross. So when you come off of that half turn, and cross, tap, out, and up. Okay? Yep, when I make that turn, I go cross, tap, out, and up. All right? Just takes practice. Watch the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. That is and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Get on the floor. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.